It's dump truck time! Get ready! Nothing but action photos and dump trucks. Check out this baby. It's about 20 feet tall, got big wheels, got great yellow color, even got a ladder on it. Whoa! Oh, look at this. Couple of friends there, Bulldozer and dump truck. They're working together to build a road. Does it get any better than this? Bulldozer pushing load right into a dump truck? Man, that's talked about action. Woo! Look at that explosion of orange dust coming out of that dump truck, and the other one's tossing up balloons in the air. Gotta be a celebration of dump trucks. You know it. It's City Trash Day. Time to pick up the trash in front of your house. Get ready. They're gonna wake up the neighborhood.